Toll Road here with
Road Trip Rich.
And we are in Dayton, Ohio.
That's right.
The birthplace of aviation and home to Carillon Park. Let's check out some cash registers and whatnot here. Rich, what do you say?
Let's see what this place has to offer.
All right, let's do it. The old printing shop here. Looks like their demonstrations are in work here. Let's see what we got, Rich.
All right. Hey, how you doing today?
Fine, yourself? Oh, pretty good. You got something working back there, huh?
Yeah, you just came in on the right day. We're actually a fully operational shop. If you come in here on any Tuesday between 9 and 12 in the morning, we'll have pressmen run these presses, line factory running, people making up forms, people working in the bindery.
Right.
So we're fully functional. All that stuff up there on the right, they sell that here and up in the main building. We do all that here.
Okay.
Excuse me. Would you like a little explanation of everything, or just want to wander around? Or?
You can't read the same procedure.
You want to see the machine run? I can.
Yeah, let's see something.
What's your first name?
Dave.
Dick?
Toll, just put Toll. T-O-L-L-E.
Do that too. The keyboard, you got black, blue, white. Black letters are all lowercase, the blue is punctuation, numerals, the white's all capital letters.
Right.
E-T-A-O-I-N, S and H. That's all done with the left hand. The right hand does the rest of the keyboard. The keyboard you use on your computer was designed for typewriter, which was designed to slow you down so you didn't type too fast and jam all the letters at the top. So this is strictly for speed. So every time I hit a key, we get these molds that drop down. We call them matrix, match for short.
All right.
This machine was invented in the late 1800s by a German watchmaker that came to the U.S.
Okay.
I believe the first machine was used around 1886 in the New York Tribune, if I'm not mistaken. So what happens, the silver bars we call a pig. That's fed down into a pot. That's melted around 550 degree temperature, so we have a pot of liquid melting from back there.
550 degrees.
Around 550.
Pretty warm.
The operator is reading copy off of here. It's being assembled in this area here. When the operator is ready, he'll raise the elevator. Transfers over to the first elevator. Drops down to casting position. That plunger's pushing metal up against your mold right now. Then it comes up and transfers over to the second elevator, so you can see the mold.
Okay.
At the top, you see those screws turning. Those screws will grab those molds one by one. They're going to carry them across. This is basically a storage area. We call this a magazine. There are 90 slots in this magazine, and each one holds up to 21 of those molds, so they're used over and over again. They're not all full, because you don't need that many X's and Z's and things like that.
Right.
There's actually 4 of these magazines on this machine, so I've got 4 different type sizes and 4 different type spaces I can use. If I need something else, then we have all these over here in this rack, so I can swap them out for something else. So now if you listen, you'll hear the match pulled back into the machine.
Oh, yeah.
So we call this a slug. This is what you'll print from. And this is really a liner type, which is where we get the name of the machine, liner type. If you find an old newspaper in the mid-70s, every line in there, this is exactly how it was produced.
So
Just
they
like that.
just,
Every line.
once they use it, they just recycle the...
When we're done with this, even the scraps on the floor, we have a fellow up in Piqua. We'll take it up there, he'll melt it down, cast us more pigs like that, and just a continuous cycle. This machine was 1937. The metal itself would be as old as the machine.
Oh, wow.
There's no way to know
You just
that.
keep using it over and over.
Just keep using it over and over. Every time they melt it, they lose a little, so they add what they call plus metal to it, and that replenishes the antimony and tin, I think, is the other elements that they put in there. Lead itself is too soft, so they add this other stuff in there to make it hard.
Okay.
So yeah, every line like this would have been a piece of metal like this. Thousands and thousands.
So that covers one line.
This is one line.
Okay.
So you got however many thousands in a newspaper. So they're continually melted over and over every day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a card with your name on. Would you like one too?
Yeah.
First name?
Rich.
Spell it for me.
Rich. R-I-C-H.
Oh, Rich. R-I-C-H.
Like Richie Rich.
So the line goes up, transfers, drops in. Plunger pushes that metal up against it. Comes up, transfers the second elevator, goes up to the distributor. So from here, this goes to the proof press. They pull a proof. Somebody reads the proof against the copy. If there's any errors, they come back. They have to reset the whole line.
Right.
Then they'll go back. Actually, what they would do. So this is the line of the galley type the guy's working with. This is a bad line. He comes along, just takes that out like that.
Place it like that.
Then they pull another line, pull another proof.
No whiteout needed then.
No whiteout. The first one's called the first proof. If they do it again, it's the first revision, second revision, whatever. And they keep doing that, and there's no more errors. Then they make it up to a form, print it, and continue. So we'll go over here to the proof test. Any questions over here?
I think you played pretty well.
So this is a proof press. And this proof press was made in 1890. This is ink plate. This is nothing but a rubber roller. They call it a brayer for some reason or other. So we just simply transfer the ink off of there into the type form. Drop that down on there.
Oh, cool.
It'll be wet for a while. That's why I put it on that paper there for you.